Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in the United States? The average annual gross salary is $33,500 US, or roughly $2,792 US each month. After tax, the average net salary is $27,880 US per year, or about $2,317 US monthly. In New York City, cleaners earn more. The gross salary there is $36,180 US per year, or roughly $3,015 US each month. The net salary is $30,029, or about $2,502 US monthly. Experience, the type of workplace, and night or weekend shifts can affect pay. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.